I got a new proposal for you. I call it Project Purple. This project is basically about me showing my hobby about gardening. So couple years ago, like 10 years ago, no, it's 9 years ago. Oh, I'm old. Yeah, I'm old. 9 years ago, I love gardening. I have my own garden in front of my house. I love to do the things that elementary school do, which is exploring their plant. And after a while, because of some reason that I stopped gardening. I think the reason is because I was just so stupid that I killed all my plant. I thought it was a flower or something, and I killed it because I have to move it from one place to the other. So 9 years later, today, I'm a senior high school. I got a lot more knowledge compared to I was when I was 9 years ago. So I figured, why don't I try to do more gardening? Like, because I love science. And I will try to do this in a sciencey way. 2 months ago, I buy a couple of seeds from the online store. I buy it randomly because I don't know what to buy. But there's two flowers that I want to make sure to grow. That is Morning Glory and 4 o'clock. I want to grow Morning Glory because one of my friends love Morning Glory. Not the flower, but the natural phenomenon, the sky splitting. And because he love it, I want to make him jealous because I have Morning Glory in my house. And the next one is 4 o'clock. This one is kind of special because when I was in elementary school, I learned about science. I learned about biology and the movement of plant. 4 o'clock mentioned in that chapter a lot because they move at 4 o'clock in the evening or in the afternoon, I'm not quite sure. I have a couple proposals regarding this project. The first thing that I want to try is to experimenting with it, which is the thing that I already did 2 months ago until today. And the result of that experiment will I use to make my next project. And I think the next project is making garden looks like double helix structure. I don't know, I'm not quite sure, but yeah, that's later. Then I also have this idea of using my Arduino that laying somewhere here. I thought it is inside there. I want to use my Arduino to make a gardening device. Well, you already see it a lot in the internet. I want to make I'm not quite sure, like humidity logger, water logger, weather logger. I'm not quite sure, but we will see. By the way, how do you think do I look nice with these glasses? This is not real glasses, by the way. See? It's invisible glasses, just for style, because I look cool. Yeah, I look cool without it, to be honest. Oh yeah, see you next week. I cannot make an end screen because my computer is broken. So yeah, bye.